What's up guys, welcome back to Sky and Mark channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about, obviously it's just obvious, you already read the title, so how to make money at boarding school or university. It's almost the same, so you can apply the same strategy on both platforms. Wait a second, both places or institutions. So making money, everybody wants to make money nowadays, whether you're young, old, whatever. Everybody now wants money. Nobody wants to be broke these days, because money is what runs the world. If you don't think money runs the world, then bro, I don't know what the heck is wrong with you. Otherwise, everybody wants to make money nowadays. So I have about 7 ways that you can make money at either university, boarding or college, or any institution that requires you to maybe live alone somehow or not go come, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So the first method that I have for you on how to make money at these institutions is selling noodles, or in other words, snacks. So you can easily, it's very easy to make money at these institutions like boarding schools, especially boarding schools, by selling noodles. However, this method only works when you have reached those stages whereby food has started becoming shortful, or there's a shortage of food, or junk food, or whatever you can call that food of yours. So it won't work in the beginning when schools are just opened. Like right now, schools have opened, so that's why I'm making this video, because I'm at a boarding school right now. So help out those guys also at the boarding school. I hope nobody at my school is watching this video, because they'll be in competition with me. So if you're at DK, don't just click off this video right now. Just click off it. So selling noodles is very easy when there's a shortage of noodles and all that stuff, or other snacks. You can sell biscuits, lollipops, jiggies, whatever, but noodles are the ones that sell the most, and also tins. And and wait, let me just mention something. The methods I'm showing you right now are completely illegal. Like, all of them are illegal. So do this at your own risk. In Zambia, it's illegal to do business at school. Maybe at university or college, it won't be illegal. But if you're at a boarding school, just know that all these strategies are illegal. So just do it at your own risk. Now, I've said you can sell noodles, snacks, whatever. It's pretty easy. Noodles a box costs like 200 kwacha. And you can sell them whatever price, according to whatever profit you want. The other method is offering Wi-Fi service at your school. So if you notice, when you go to boarding schools, most of the time, most people don't have an internet connection. And so if you have a Wi-Fi route at your home, or a MiFi or something, you can just get a monthly bundle and offer that service to someone for a certain amount of minutes they pay you. You also limit the amount of data they use, or whatever, stuff like that. Just offer them an internet connection in short words. So you can offer Wi-Fi service and you can charge them for that. The other method is selling talk time at your school. So you can sell talk time at the school. Most of the time at boarding schools, people don't come with talk time, and so for them to access that, it's either they use mobile money or go outside of the school, of which most of the time people don't have access to those things. So if you just jump pack yourself with 100,000 kwacha worth of talk time, and go to the school with it, people will be coming to you, and they will be definitely buying talk time for you, because a few people come with such at school. And the other method, which is the fourth method, is renting your PC or electronic devices. Don't forget, all these methods are illegal if you're at a boarding school. So you can rent your PC or whatever electronic device you've come with at school, like even kettles, like warming kettles, you can rent it to someone. They can use it. A charger, headphones, a memory card. Wait, what? A flash disk. Actually, you can rent a flash disk. Anything. PCs, you can make good money out of that. For a few hours, you give them and they use it. So that's another method. The fifth method that you can use to make money at boarding schools or university and all that is offering calling service to your friends or whoever wants that service. So You can come with a small phone at school or whatever phone that can make calls, and you can jump pack it with talk time for a whole month or whatever. And you can be offering that service to people who want to make calls, maybe to their parents, their guardians, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, so you can offer those, you can offer calls and all that stuff. And text messages if possible, and charge them for that service. The sixth method is also illegal and embarrassing. Very embarrassing. The sixth method that you can make money with at boarding school or these institutions, as I said, it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Yeah, so you can wash for people. You can wash people's clothes at boarding schools. Like there are some freaking lazy rich dudes at boarding schools and whatever that are freaking lazy as hell, and they can't wash for themselves. So if you're willing to wash for them, you can do it. You can offer them. You can charge them huge amounts just to wash maybe their school uniform for just one day or a week or whatever, and they can pay you up good money. So it depends. If you're willing, you can do it. Money is sweet. Everybody loves money. So go save and akuma first kuwa last watch enjoy of where I have. So I'll translate that if you're from another country. Yeah, so the seventh method that you can make money at these institutions, I repeat again, it's illegal. I don't want someone to just like use this method, they get caught or something, and then they take this video to the police or something like, no, this is the guy who advised me. I told you, I've told, like, let me even write it here, Apaso. I've written it here. It's illegal. And I've done it before. So you can help someone in an exam or a test or whatever. You can help your friend and they'll pay you up good money just to, write, like help them out with answers in an exam. And yeah, they'll pay you up some good money. So just make sure you study very hard. And then if you know a friend of yours who doesn't like studying but has a lot of cash on him, just go to him and be like, bro, the exams are coming. I can help you. Let's make a deal. And it can work out pretty well if you trust each other and yeah, so you can make good cash out of that. Just help your friend. I don't know how you're gonna do that. Find a way to sit together or whatever. But this is just another method you can make money with. So those were 7 ways to make money on in boarding school, college, or university. These methods, some of them can apply also to day school, but most of them obviously won't. And yeah, you can do what you feel you manage to do. Otherwise, those were the 7 methods. They are illegal. Yeah. Okay, so guys, if you like the music in the background, it's from a very talented artist that I know, and that's Chantel knows, and he's pretty cool. He does very excellent work. He has a YouTube channel. I'll put it down in the description. He does pretty cool art. He loves drawing cars. If you're into cars and art and music, whatever, just check out his channel. He's pretty awesome. Yeah. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you want to say something that you want to see in future, or you want to criticize us, or say something good about us, or you just want to compliment me, you can just leave a comment down below there. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more business related videos. Hit the notification bell to get notified of our future videos in the future. Yeah, when we release a video. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.